Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my first fall makeup tutorial of the year. I got inspiration from this Instagram, which is this photo right here. So pretty, so obsessed. Once I saw it, I'm like, okay, doing it. I just love how it looks with her dark hair and her blue eyes. Everything just looks so pretty. So I wanted to recreate it for you today on darker eyes and extremely blonde hair. Let me know what you guys think of it in the description box down below. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my social media. It's linked here as well as down below in the description box as always. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let's get into the video. All right, so we're gonna start by priming my face with the No Problem Primer Essence by Touch and Soul. It's like really liquidy. It's basically like you're putting water. I just did a face mask this morning and my face is like so soft. Also, I woke up with a freaking ginormous pimple on my freaking lip, like up here. Like the mustache area, I don't know what you call it. So I'm going to actually start by doing my eyebrows today. So I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in soft brown, and I just pick it up and then put it on my cap. We're doing like a semi-dramatic, semi-simple. I don't want to say natural because it's not natural by any means. So we're just gonna do just a quick fill in of the brows. Okay, now I'm gonna pick up on my concealer, and this is the Too Faced concealer. Do a little dab to prime the eye and shape out the eyebrow. So I just pick it up on this concealer brush and lightly carve underneath the eyebrow. Okay, so once that's done, then I'm picking up on just a fluffier brush and blending. Let's scare the crap out of me. Now that I look absolutely insane, we're going to set the eyelid with just a bone shade. I'm using Tempera from the Modern Renaissance palette with Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I'm going to be picking up on Bon Fresco from the Modern Renaissance palette on a fluffy brush. And then we're just going to lightly dust this into the crease. So the next color I'm going to be going in with very lightly is Just Chill from the Chill Baby palette. Just a more dense fluffy brush, and we're focusing this on the outer corner. Okay, so I'm going to be picking up on James Charles palette. I totally lied to you guys. And I'm picking up this light pink color on just a flat shader brush. And I'm going to mix it in with a pinky bone shade because I don't want it to pull too pink. And we're going to put that on the eyelid because you want it to just be a soft pink. Now that I got it down to a science, I am mixing Wonderland, a little bit of a black eyeshadow just together, and deepening that red up just so it's not super red. Okay, so now I'm just going to add mascara, false eyelashes, and I'll be back to finish the face. So now I'm gonna go in, oh my god. Okay, and I guess a little bit of this Becca foundation in Olive. All right, now we're gonna go with concealer. I'm using the same concealer as before. Setting my eye with the Maybelline Fit Me powder in light. Going in with the medium KKW Beauty Contour Kit. I'm gonna mix these two shades. I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Dazzle blush. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just lay them a bit. Never hurt nobody. Next, for my most favorite part, I'm going in with my favorite highlighter, which is by my brand that I'm selling on Etsy. So you can definitely check it out. This highlighter looks good on everyone's skin tone. It's so blinding and amazing. So I would definitely go check out my Etsy shop. It will be linked down below in the description. Okay, so we're gonna work a little bit on the lower lash line now. So I'm gonna pick up Wonderland and just on the outer corner of my eye. I mean, you can feel free to add more if that's what you please. It's just something I don't really like to do, and I don't know why. It's just not my cup of tea. So going back in with that pink Smashbox color that we highlighted with, we're just gonna do it again and bring it to the bottom of the eye. Okay, so I'm gonna pick up on this NARS Rabonaparte like nude eyeliner and put that on my lower lash line. Before we do the lips, I'm gonna set my face. I'm using my Flawless setting spray also, which is on my Etsy shop. The mist is so fine and it smells really good. Nicely sets in all my makeup. Okay, don't swallow it though. Okay, now it's fall time. If you know me, you know I love a bold lip. So we're gonna go in with MAC Current lip liner. Ooh, this baby's sharp. I'm a mess. And now I'm going in with the Dose of Colors Desi X Katy Savage liquid lipstick. Alright guys, this is the final result. I hope you guys liked my first fall tutorial. As you can tell by my nails, like this is my vibe. This is my color scheme. So make sure you follow me on Instagram and all my social media. It's linked down below in the description box. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.